multiple integrals, double integrals, change the order of integration. This is part 2. I already given part 1. Now we are going to part 2. This is changing the order of integration. In sum number 2, we are going to sum number 2. Change the order of integration. Zero to 1, a square 2 minus x, xy, dy dx, and evaluate it. Evaluate it. In previous part, we have seen 0 to a squared by a, 2a minus x. Now just without a is 1 here. The same sum different with a is 1. See, first we have to draw the diagram. Then only we can change the order. See, limits are 0 to 1, a square 2 minus x. If there is x in the limit, which is equal to y, immediately write y, remaining x. This is the way of change order of integration. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 curves we have to draw. By drawing the curve, we can change the order of integration with the help of the curve. This is straight line. X comes this side. X plus y equal to 2. This is a parabola. S squared equal to y. This is straight line. X equal to parallel to y axis. X equal to 0. This is equation of the y axis. Again I am telling, limits are 0 to 1, s squared 2 minus x. If there are limits in x, then equal to, immediately write equal to y, like y. Remaining are x. 1, 2, 3, 4. By taking all these 4, we can draw the diagram. This is equation of straight line. This is a parabola. One power is 2, another power is 1. Therefore, nothing but this is a parabola. X equal to 1, which is a straight line parallel to y axis. This is x equal to 0, equation of y axis. These for all equation of the curves. Let us draw the diagram. X axis, y axis, origin. See, x plus y equal to 2. X plus y equal to 2. Putting y equal to 0, we will get y equal to x equal to 2. Putting y equal to x, we will get the distance in the x axis, x equal to 2. 1, 2. Distance, 1 unit, 2 units. Again, putting x equal to 0, we will get y equal to 2. And this is y axis, y equal to 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Draw the straight line. This is required straight line. X plus y equal to 2. We have drawn the straight line. Then x equal to 1, x equal to 1, y also equal to 1. Therefore, at this place, these two curves cuts at the point x equal to 1, y equal to 1. This is equation of the line x equal to 1. X equal to 1. X equal to 1. And this is the parabola. Shapes of the parabolas are, this is y squared equal to 4ax. This shape is y squared equal to minus 4ax. This shape is s squared equal to 4ay. This is the s squared 4ay. This is the shape of the parabola. Upper open shape. One more parabola is there. We may use in the later sums. This is passing through the origin x squared equal to minus 4ay. This is lower open, this upper open. Therefore, this is the required parabola. This is the shape of the parabola. Therefore, when x equal to 1, y also equal to 1. Putting x equal to 1, y also equal to 1. Therefore, this parabola and the straight line x equal to 1 all cut at the 1, 1. This is the shape of the parabola passing through the origin. The shape of the parabola. It cuts at this point. This equation of the y-axis is x equal to 0. Equation of y-axis equal to 0. This line is x equal to 1. This is x plus y equal to 2. This is the parabola x square equal to y. X equal to root of y. The point is 1, 1. This is the required shape of the parabola. Shade of the parabola. Shade of the required region by cutting formed by these 4 curves. X equal to 0 is the equation of the y-axis. See, we are going to change out of integration. Take the limit on y-axis 0 to 1. X is the curve left to right. X the curve 0. Right x is root of y. The same function xy dx dy. Whenever we are integrating with respect to limits are in x, we have to integrate with respect to y. And limits are in y, we have to integrate with respect to x, with respect to x. Plus another step is 1 to 2. 1 to 2. The curve is left to right. Left is curve x equal to 0. X is left, x equal to 0. Right x is here x equal to 2 minus y. 2 minus y xy dx dy. Again I am telling, we are taking limits on the y-axis. First limit x 0 to 1. 0 to 1. X is left to the right. If we take limit x on x-axis, we have to take limits curve as x equal to left to right, x equal to 0 curve. Right x equal to root y. The same function xy dx dy plus 1 to 2. Y-axis limit is 1 to 2 and the curve is x is left to right. This line right side cuts as 2 curves. First curve is parabola, second curve is a straight line. Again left to right, x equal to 0, right x equal to 2 minus y, same xy dx dy. We can see the same sum from by seeing the diagram. X axis limit is 0 to 1. Y is bottom to top. Y y equal to x squared. Top y equal to 2 minus x, 2 minus x. Both way we can see. If you do this directly, you will get the answer. But we should not do that. They ask us change order of integration. Therefore, by using this diagram, we are changing the order of integration. Again, I am telling 0. If limits are a to b on the x-axis, curve is, there are two curves. Let us draw the straight line. Straight line. Y equal to f1 of x, y equal to f2 of x. If you take limits on the x-axis a to b, curve is bottom top, region. Curve is bottom top. Curve is a function of x, f1 of x, f2 of x. Similarly, bottom top, limit is 0 to 1, 0 to 1, here a to b. Curve is bottom top. Bottom curve is parabola up to this cut point. Bottom is parabola. Y is bottom top. Y is x squared. Top y is 2 minus x, 2 minus x. Similarly, if you take limits on the y-axis, a, b, there are curves. This is the region. X equal to f1 of x, f1 of y, this curve is x equal to f1 of y. This curve is x equal to f2 of y. If you take limits on y-axis a to b, curve x is left to right, x is function of y, x is function of y, x also function of y. Similarly, if we take this 0 to 1, y-axis limit 0 to 1, y-axis limit 0 to 1, x is left to right, x equal to 0 curve, right x equal to root of y. Again taking 1 to 2, since the right side curves are two curves, one curve is up to the point 1 parabola, upper number 1 it is straight line. Therefore, we are using right side curve, two curves. Therefore, the one cuts both the curves. Again, x equal to 1 to 2 on the x-axis. Limit is, curve is x left to right. X is a 0. Right x equal to 2 minus y, 2 minus y. This is changing order of integration. If we do this sum, we have changed order of integration. It is enough to do the sum. If we integrate, we will get the result. Let us do the integration. Equal to 0 to 1, 0 to root y. We are integrating with respect to x only. If limits are in y, that belongs to x only. Therefore, y comes out. Y here, x dx dy. If limits in y, we have to integrate with respect to x only. Let us separate this. 0 to root y, x dx dy. Similarly, 1 to 2, y is taken out. Limit 0 to 2 minus y, x dx dy. Limits are on x, we have to integrate with respect to x only. 0 to 1 y, x is x squared by 2, limit is 0 to root y, plus 1 to 2 y, integration is s square by 2, with 0 to 2 minus y dy. Integration of x is x dx equal to x square by 2 basic. Again 0 to 1 y. Apply the upper limit. Root y whole square by 2 minus lower limit 0 by 2. Here dy plus 1 to 2y upper limit 2 minus a whole square by 2, lower limit is 0 of dy. Take into out 0 to 1 y, root of y squared, root of y whole squared is whole dy plus 1 to 2, this 1 by 2 taken out, 1 by 2, 1 to 2, y into 2 minus y whole square dy. One by 2, 0 to 1, y square dy plus 1 by 2, 1 to 2, y into 2 minus a whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square of dy. A minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is 2, b is y. 1 by 2, 0 to 1, integrating y cubed by 3. Limit is 0 to 1. Here 1 by 2, 1 to 2, y is at the outer of this bracket. Therefore, we should, after multiplying y inside, then only we can integrate. Similarly, 2 squared is 4. 4y. 4 y square. Y cubed. dy. Now we can integrate. Equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3 minus 0. Upper limit 1 cubed is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, integrating 4 y square by 2, 4 y cubed by 3 plus y power 4 by 4, limit 1 to 2, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2, giving upper limit 4 by 2, 2 square, 4 by 3, 2 cubed plus 2 power 4 by 4 minus will be 1. 4 by 2, 1 square, 4 by 3, 1 cubed plus 1 power 4 by 4. Close the bracket. Equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2, 8. 2 squared is 4 into 8 minus 2 cubed is 8. 8 to 4, 32. 32 by 3 plus 2 power 4 is 16 by 4 minus 2 minus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Closing the bracket. Equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 of, removing the bracket, 8 minus 32 by 3 plus 16 by 4 is 4 minus 2 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 minus 2, 10. Minus I2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Minus 28 by 3. Minus 1 by 4. Equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. LCM is 12. 12 10 120 minus 12 by 3 is 4. 4 28. 112 minus 3 equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. 120 minus 115 equal to 5 by 12 equal to 1 by 6 plus 5 by 24 equal to 24 is the LCM. 4 plus 5 equal to 9 by 24. 3 by 8 is the answer. Again we are going to see third sum. Sum number 3. Change order of integration. Integration 0 to infinity x to infinity e power minus y by y dx dy and evaluate. Let us draw the diagram initially. 0 to infinity, x to infinity. If limits are in x, that belongs to y only, equating y. Remaining x. This is the method of drawing the diagram. See, if there is limits 0 to infinity, x to infinity. If there is a limit in x, put equal to y. Remaining x equal to 0, x equal to infinity. By taking 1, 2, 3, 4 curves, we can draw the diagram. First curve is x equal to y. Second is y equal to infinity. Third is x equal to infinity. Fourth is x equal to 0. These 4 curves. By using these 4 curves, we can draw a diagram. First x equal to y. This goes at the middle. X equal to y. X equal to y. And x equal to 0 is equation of the y axis. X equal to 0, equation of all are curves. X equal to 0 is equal, this is a curve. We are taking this y axis as a curve. Y equal to infinity. X also infinity. See? 0. This is x equal to 1, x equal to 2, up and goes on, x equal to infinity. Similarly, the curve goes up to infinity. This curve is x equal to infinity. This line is at the infinity. X equal to infinity. Similarly, y equal to infinity. In the end, the y equal to 1, y equal to 1, y equal to 2, similarly y equal to infinity. That is dotted line as y equal to infinity. X equal to 0, this is x equal to y. We have drawn both curves. First curve is x equal to y, second is y equal to infinity. This line is at the infinity. X equal to infinity, this line is at the infinity. X equal to 0 equation of y axis. See, we have to draw the shaded region, shaded lines. 1, 2, 3. These three curves, negative curves. Here is not the curve. Therefore, this is the required shaded region. This is the required shaded region. It goes up to infinity. X equal to y. X equal to y. X equal to y. Again, we are going to change the order of integration. Just we know this. If the limits are on the x-axis, curve is y equal to f1 of x, y equal to f2 of x. This is the region. The limits are x as a to b. Bottom to top, y is bottom top. Y is the limit is 0 to infinity. This a to b, b is infinity, b is infinity. Y is bottom to top, y equal to x. Top y equal to infinity. This is a given sum we are seeing. If we take limit on y axis, it goes up to infinity. 0 to y equal to infinity goes up to infinity. Therefore, 0 to infinity, x is the curve. X is the curve. If we take limits on x, y axis, x is f1 of y and x equal to f2 of y. This is the region. If we take limit on the y axis 0 to infinity, y equal to infinity means the line is up to at infinity. This y is 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. And x is the curve left to right. This line cuts at the infinity, 0 to infinity. X is left to right. If we take limits on the y axis, x is curve left to right. X equal to 0, right x equal to y. Therefore, e power minus y by y dx dy. We have changed order. See, in both way we can see the order changing. If taking limits taken on x axis 0 to x equal to infinity, up to the line goes up to infinity. X equal up then x equal to 0 to infinity. Y is bottom top, y is x. Top y is infinity, y up to infinity. Where the same sum we can from this diagram we can see the sum, given sum, and by to change order of integration, taking a limit y axis 0 to up to goes up to infinity. Y sign is up to infinity. This cutting the line is up to infinity, 0 to infinity. X is the curve left to right. X equal to 0. Right is the line. Right x equal to y. We have change order of integration. This is enough to do the sum. Let us do the sum. Zero to infinity. If the limits are in y, we have to integrate with respect to x only. This limit y belongs to x only. Therefore, e power minus y by y 0 to y dx dy equal to 0 to infinity e power minus y by y integrating with dx is x 0 to y dy. Integration of only dx is x basic. Again 0 to infinity e power minus y by y, upper limit is y, lower limit is 0 of dy. Y will get cancelled. 0 to infinity e power minus y dy. Integrating e power minus y by minus 1. Limit is 0 to infinity. Integration of e power ax dx equal to e power ax by a. This is the basic integration. A is minus 1 here, therefore minus 1. Giving the upper limit e power minus infinity by minus 1. Lower limit is e power 0 by minus 1. E power minus infinity always 0. Therefore, e power infinity equal to infinity. E power minus infinity equal to 0. We shouldn't forget this. This comes at all places. Therefore, e power minus infinity is 0. E power 0 is 1. 1 by minus 1, which is equal to minus plus 1. 1 is the answer. Again I am telling, change order of integration, how we are taking the change or changing the order. There I am telling, this is x equal to y. The curve is x equal to y equal to infinity, x equal to infinity, x equal to 0. Equation of y is x equal to 0. The one line may be at the infinity. This is called, the limit is x equal to infinity, infinity limit, x is 0 to infinity. Similarly, there may be a line y equal to at the infinity, y equal to infinity, x equal to y. Maximum curves come this 1, 2, 3 curves come, therefore require the region. Therefore, this is a required region. If you take limits on x axis 0 to infinity, 0 to x is up to infinity. This line is cuts, this line is up to infinity, 0 to infinity. Y is bottom top, y is 0, y equal to x top, y is infinity. This is a given term limit. If you take limits on the y axis means 0 to up to infinity. This line goes up to infinity. This limit is 0 to infinity. Y equal to infinity. Y equal to 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. This line y equal to infinity cuts the y axis at the infinity. 0 to y axis limit is 0 to infinity. X is left to right, x equal to 0, right, x equal to y. In this way we are changing the order of integration.